Registration by invitation. Use this one. You will be directed to the form to fill. Here you can see the person who invited you, whose link you used, information of an amount of units you will obtain. If you invite enough persons, that will grow much more. Note that you have to use basic Latin letters. You choose your username, insert your first and last name. Be aware that you should use your real name. They make it quite clear. If you use, as many usually do, nicknames, that might result in deleting your account. Keep it in mind. You insert your mail. Note that it has to be real, as they send confirmation mail, which is very important. And you choose your password. Note it has to comply specific requirements. Then you agree with the terms of use, and that's all. Very important issue. You will have to confirm your account using the link they sent to indicated email address. If you do not do it, the system blocks you, as only after you verify your mail, the one whose invitation you used will be able to accept you. I noticed that stunning 15 to 20% just do register and not verify the mail. That means they did it for nothing and will get nothing. If you do not find this mail from Argentas, first check your spam folder. It is possible also to request once more the mail if you are sure it got lost somewhere in the internet. I repeat, you have to do this verification. This is the address of the form to fill and request once more resending your verification mail.